Ever imagined making money without ceaseless work? Picture a steady income stream that doesn't demand your constant time and effort. That's passive income, a crucial element in personal financial management. But do you know where passive income can come from? You might think of investments, real estate, dividends, or automated business revenues. But in reality, it's much more than that. And we're here to help you uncover those exciting aspects. Join us today to delve deeper into passive income and discover secrets you never knew. YouTube is not entirely a source of passive income. Many people nowadays believe that YouTube is a completely passive source of income. However, creating content on YouTube is not entirely a passive income source, as many might think. Behind earning money from YouTube lies dedication, time, and effort that content creators have to put in. Creating and maintaining a successful YouTube channel demands significant dedication. Content creators often spend hours generating ideas, researching, scripting, filming, editing, and promoting their videos. Additionally, the competition on YouTube is fierce, requiring patience, creativity, and adaptability to stand out and sustain audience engagement. Moreover, YouTube's algorithms and policies can impact content creators' income, making it rather unpredictable. Changes in algorithms or policies can affect video visibility, ad revenue, or even eligibility for specific money-making features, thus affecting the overall income generated. Although YouTube can offer opportunities for passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, recognizing the effort and perseverance behind the scenes is crucial. Successful YouTubers often face numerous tasks, acquire new skills, and adapt to evolving trends to maintain their channels and income sources. Truly passive income sources. In addition to YouTube, the realm of passive income encompasses a multitude of avenues that individuals can explore to establish a secure financial foundation. That's offering a decently high interest rate compared to the rest of banks. So look, if you have an emergency fund, I think it's wise to have an emergency fund. Or I feel a little bit wary of the stock market and you have some cash in like a bank account that's not earning any interest, I would consider putting it into something like a savings account, like one's. That is offered by Goldman Sachs. It's 2.25% interest over the course of a year. As of now, that's the interest rate that they're offering. It'll probably climb eventually in the future. But 2.25% interest might not sound like a lot of money, and maybe it's not. But if you say have $20,000 in that account, 2.25, that's about like $457 per year, give or take a little bit. Over the course of a month, it's probably about $38. It's like $37.50 per month. I don't know if I did that math right, but that's like $37.50 per month in free money, passive income from having money in a bank account. So I would definitely take advantage of something like that. It's like a few free pizzas at Pizza Hut. Or you could pay your phone bill with that. Or your Wi-Fi bill for just having some money in a bank account and kind of playing it safe, putting some money into some emergency fund that you can then use in the future. And look, if you don't want $1,000 put in that account, even if you had $5,000 at 2.25% interest, you're still making almost $100 per year. It's over $100. It's like $112 per year in interest rates. So that's something that I would consider doing for everybody, just as an easy passive income source. Kind of mindless. You don't have to think about it very much. Just park your cash in there and just generate some money over time. Building credit. Building and maintaining a strong credit score is not just a simple task, but a process that requires patience, consistency, and smart financial management. Your credit score not only affects borrowing ability, but also impacts various aspects of daily life, from buying a home or a car to considering investments and personal finances. One of the most effective ways to start building a credit history is by using a secured credit card. This type of card requires a deposit upfront to secure the line of credit. As you use this card and pay the bills on time, credit bureaus take note and positively assess your payment behavior, laying the groundwork for a positive credit history. Maintaining a long and diverse credit history is also crucial. Instead of closing old credit accounts after they've been paid off, keeping long-used accounts reflects stability and responsibility in your financial management. This can improve your credit score by expanding the diversity of your credit history. Not only using credit cards, but timely repayment of existing loans is also crucial. Paying off debts on time and not exceeding established credit limits are primary factors in improving your credit score. Sometimes, checking your credit reports for inaccuracies and rectifying them is necessary. Some errors in credit reports can unfairly impact your score. Rectifying and updating accurate information will help your credit score more accurately reflect your personal financial status. Finally, I have advice for you. Managing personal finances can sometimes be a challenging task, but smart decisions and self-discipline can make a significant difference in your life. To start, focus on basics like avoiding credit card debt. While credit cards can be powerful tools for managing daily expenses, improper usage can pose financial risks. Use credit cards cautiously, spending only what you can repay, and always maintain control. Paying bills on time not only helps you avoid late fees, but also improves your credit score. When it comes to investing or borrowing, understanding terms and conditions is extremely important. Use information from lenders to assess risks and benefits of borrowing. This helps you make informed decisions and optimize the use of investment capital. Don't hesitate to ask and seek more information when needed. From carefully reading loan terms to learning about smart credit card management, all this information will help you make sound financial decisions and feel more confident in managing your personal finances. Focusing on understanding personal financial management not only helps you lay a solid foundation for the future, but also makes you more decisive and confident in financial decision-making. Start with small steps and keep learning to build a stronger financial future. There's true power in indulging in work you love. The excitement and joy from making progress aren't just about income, but also about experiencing and contributing to the world around you. When passion drives your work, every day becomes a new adventure. It's not just about earning money, but also about the journey of self-development, valuable lessons, and maturity. The sense of accomplishment, overcoming challenges, and proving yourself brings an indescribable happiness. Every step in work is an opportunity to learn, to become better, and to contribute to personal and community development. It's not just a means of making a living, but a place to fulfill passions and create long-lasting values. Remember, life isn't just about working, it's also about enjoying every moment. Strike a balance between work and personal time, family, and things you genuinely love. The excitement from work can become a powerful motivation to create a balanced, fulfilled, and happier life. Immersing yourself in work with passion and excitement helps build not only income, but also a meaningful life where every day brings happiness and spiritual satisfaction. Enjoy every moment and continually explore the joy from actions you love. Personal financial management isn't just about accumulating money in your account, but also about laying a solid foundation for a meaningful life. From understanding how to avoid credit card debt to smart investing and balancing work-life harmony, every small step contributes to our journey. Everyone has the potential to move towards a strong and prosperous financial life. Sometimes, it's not just about making money, but also about learning and progressing in all aspects of life. Remember that sustainable income doesn't come from making sudden major decisions, but from small daily actions. Start with the smallest things. Learn and progress step by step. Lastly, encourage everyone watching this video to start their own journey without hesitation. Explore, learn, and apply the shared knowledge to begin managing personal finances smarter. Every small step brings great value to your future. Life is an exciting journey of discovery and adventure. Be brave, take steps, and never stop learning. Best of luck in personal financial management and building the life you dream of. Start today and let each step bring positive changes to your life.